action!
Today is May 20. It's Darshie's 30th birthday, and we are in lockdown, full lockdown. So we're gonna make her birthday cake because we cannot order it. We're gonna make a sponge cake.
Let me see what you got there.
Oh, here's the plate.
Ay! Wow!
Say happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Darshie!
Thank you, sir.
You're so nice, Jasmine.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be the director. Me, Jacob. I'm gonna be the director and film this movie. Tell mommy to be a little bit happy and nicer. Tell the
You gotta be happy and nice when you make this, okay?
Okay.
Hey, a little bit more happier and nicer.
Sure.
You gotta be really nice and happier.
Sure. Go out of my way, I'll be happier.
I gotta make sure you're good.
Okay.
Do a smile, like a happy. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good smile. You can put that in the video. That's a good one.
That's a good director. That is a good director right there. What's this movie about?
Mommy's gonna make Darshie a cake, a birthday cake. Okay.
First, preheat the oven to 170. What we need here is 4 large eggs, not the one that you just pull out from the fridge. Sifted 1 cup flour, sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, regular round pan, and a mixer. Let's do some baking. Like what I said, I don't put my eggs straight to the mixer. Sugar. Pinch of salt, lemon zest, about 15 to 20 minutes.
Stop right there. Hold on.
20-minute transition.
It will gonna become spongy.
So that's what eggs look like after you beat it for like 18 minutes.
Yeah, I just put it 18 minutes instead of going all the way to 5.
Good job.
Then we have to test it. If it's sit on the bowl, that means it's sifted. Yep.
No idea what you just did.
Okay, now let's get this out. Sift the flour, 1 cup of flour. Sift it slowly. Fold it gently with a wooden spoon.
It has to be wooden?
Yes.
Are you folding it? Or are you
Yes.
swirling it?
No, you have to fold it, and when you fold it, it's like this. You don't swirl. You have to do like this. To the oven. Should be in the middle. 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I turn off the heat, and then you're not gonna open it for the next 30 minutes also. So I'll see you again after next 30 minutes.
It's hot.
Ooh, clean. Oops.
Number 3. Good.
Daddy. Hey.
Ready, Darshie?
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay!
It's your birthday. Hey, what the heck is that kid in the background?
Okay,
I like the dog guys!
Hey, you sing Darshie happy birthday.
Ready? Oh, let me turn off lights so it'll be better.
Sing Darshie happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay,
Blow your cake,
blow it,
Darshie.
yay. Hey, we got neighbors here.
Jacob, you're drinking coffee. I see you.
Yeah, I need to, cause all the
No, don't drink coffee.
Cause all directors need coffee.
Who's it? What did you say?
Directors need coffee.
Well, what does a director do?
He drinks coffee and he makes sure everything's right.
15 to 20 minutes on medium high speed.
What the heck?
Because that's how you're gonna make it.
So what
And
if you don't have a machine?
then you beat it with the...
Why? Really?
Yeah.
For 20 damn minutes? You gotta beat it for 20 minutes. You know about that, right? You? Yeah, you. You know about beating it for 20 minutes. You're gonna last 2 minutes.
Hey, cut right there, cut right there, cut.
What is it called?
Sift!
Sift that stuff, man! Hey, don't be copying me. Don't be...